Going on everyone, welcome to the channel. So I'm just going to cover Quant for you today, just break down the current price action that we are seeing. So I'm just on the 4H time frame. I'm just going to look at this market structure that we can see here basically. So I mean, just going off this, we was in this uptrend here for quite some time, as you can see there, and then basically we stalled out here. We had this bit of a double top that you can see there. So I'll just mark that off for you. Double top, and we started taking out major areas of support. For example, here, major area of support, which we took out at this level. Then we did bounce back in, but then from this point we have continued to put in low lows, low highs, low low, low high, and now we're here. So what I'm currently looking at now, focusing on this market structure that we are currently at, you can see that we've had this downtrend. Now, I'm not using this as a trend line, I'm just using this so you can see visually that we've been going down basically, just to make things clearer for you. So the way that market structure works is once you put in a lower low, lower high and a lower low, if price starts pushing back up and it comes to this level, anything under this level is still bearish. Now, when you start breaking out of this structure here, and say you get a candle close pushing up, like this is then invalidating this downtrend because you're breaking out of structure. And if you understand how the markets move, once you start breaking out of the previous lower high in this case, then you're violating structure, and the directional bias then starts to change. And especially if you're breaking out of your lower high with strong volume candle, like this would be here, this would be a strong volume candle. An example of more strong volume candles is like this, for example. You can see there a lot of volume, a lot of buying pressure, and again a lot of buying pressure. This candle here, a lot of selling pressure, and it was taking out structural lows. So yeah, if you see candles breaking out of previous lower highs, or say your higher lows, or whichever way it may be, you can then start getting a bit more of an idea of which way the market might be heading in the future. So yeah, if I was to look at this now, looking at this market structure, currently still bearish, but then if we do get that break and close above this lower high, I will then be looking for a retest, for example, of this level here, and then I'll be looking for the continuation then, and then you can start jumping on some buys basically. And the market won't just move straight up like that. You will be putting in high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, but just for demonstration purposes, this is something what I'll be looking for. You might pull back into this area of support, what would be your support, and you might get a double bottom and then the continuation if we were to get a breakout of this. Alternatively, if we don't get the breakout, then we'll be continuing to look for sells, because at the minute, we're still trading with under this lower high, so we'll be looking for sells until proven otherwise basically. Now, let me just zoom out a little bit for you. So let's just find the next major area that we'll run into. So you can see here, if I just use the horizontal, you see here, this major level in the market, we have bumped into that. You see prices bounced off it and pushed back up. So if we do get the continuation down, I'll be looking for continuation sells to get a definite that we're most likely going to continue to go down. I'll be looking for price to break out of this level. Now, for this to be confirmed that we're going to potentially get the continuation, I would be looking for the candle body to break and close below this structure. I'm not looking at the wicks, I'm looking at the candle bodies. Now, if the candle body closes like this, that's a good indication that you can then get your continuation sells then back down to back down to the next levels of support that we can see. So this was where we've run into, and then this is another major area of support which we could run into. So yeah, basically both ends of the spectrum. If we're getting the continuation sells, I'll be looking to see if price is breaking out of this. Alternatively, if we get a breakout of here and a close above structure, then you can start looking for your buy opportunities then. So it'll be something like that. You might run into this little area of resistance here, you could pull back then, to this area of what would be your support, you might get a bit of a double bottom, or you might just get the straight retest, and then, you know, you could perhaps start targeting these highs that we've basically put in not too long ago. So yeah, that's my outlook on Quant for today on the 4H time frame. I won't go on too much, just keep it nice and simple for you. If there's any cryptos you want me to go over for you, let me know. If there's any information you want me to go over in terms of how to do technical analysis, how to break things down, how to get into trades, let me know in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to go over them for you. So thank you for watching, everyone. More videos to come daily. Cheers, everyone. Appreciate you watching. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.